How to create Doordash account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how can you open a Doordash account. So if you're interested in discovering how to set up a Doordash account, you have landed in the perfect spot. The upcoming video will guide you through the effortless process of creating your personal Doordash account on your desktop. So in order to start, launch your internet browser and navigate to doordash.com. Locate and click on the upper right hand corner of the web page where it's indicating sign in or sign up. So we are going to create a new account in Doordash. So we are going to click on sign up option, click on it. And once you do that, you will be landed in this page where you need to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your country, and the mobile number and the password. Proceed by clicking on the sign up option, and a verification code will be sent to your phone number through a text message. Enter the code received on your phone to complete the verification process. And congratulations on successfully establishing your very own Doordash account. So this is all about how can you create a Doordash account. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.